let me share the screen with you. So how is the price determined? How is the price determined of a particular stock? It is only the conscious between buyers and sellers. किसी को अच्छा लगता है ये प्राइस पे बाय करने के लिए, किसी को अच्छा लगता है कि ये प्राइस में बाय नहीं करें. Okay, and they want to sell it out. Simple as that. Okay, somebody has a pain point कि भाई यहां से एग्जिट करना है, मेरे घर पे प्रॉफिट आना चाहिए. That is where he will definitely sell. Okay, somebody who has bought right at the low, he is going to sell it for a profit. Or somebody who has already bought it maybe few years back and the price has come in for the first time, he'll say, oh my god, let me get out, mera paisa chuta ho gaya. So this is the mentality of how the buying and the selling is happening in the market. Okay, when the greed happens, the buy is more definitely, while it is only the sentiments of the market which is coming in. Now think about it. People say, okay, the Nifty is in an uptrend. Yes, the Nifty is in an uptrend, but in between you see a drop which is happening, and this is where you need to take care of. Okay, while the price is going up, everybody makes money, but when the price comes down, this is the place where people tend to lose money. Okay, and then again price goes up. Okay, people will say, oh my god, let me get out. Why? Itna niche chala gaya, I need to get out. And then the people who are panicking, they will move out of the market. And again, the sentiments picks up and say, oh my god, the price wants to go up. Okay, and this is you can see this, it's a continuous game. While the price keeps on moving up, okay, and it will make a high and a higher high and maybe a low and a higher low, then this is called an uptrend. Now this uptrend which is there, technically it could be spread number of days, month, week also. Okay, so depending on how you see the chart. Okay, this is where the trend will look like. It could look the same chart. You can see it on an intraday basis also. You can see on a daily basis also. You can see it on a weekly basis also. Okay, so this is what the trend is all about. Price going higher highs, then it is called as an uptrend. Okay, and what happens while the price is going down? While the price is going down, okay, you have the high and then you have the low, and then the price keeps on dropping down. Okay, in this case, you have lower highs continuously being formed and lower lows being formed. So this is technically called as the downtrend. Now this could be a daily chart, it could be a weekly chart, okay, it could be an intraday chart. And this is what you need to learn and identify. If you are able to identify on the chart, what is the price doing? The price has gone high and it is not going higher now. It has made a low. So if this is considered as the low, it has broken the previous low also, and it has made a new low, which is technically called as a lower low, and it has done another low. Now till the time the new high is not broken, okay, another lower high is formed and then another low is formed. Till the time this is not broken, it is still going low. A new lower high is formed, again it is going low. So till the time the previous lower high is not broken, okay, there is no change in trend. So tell me one thing, can anybody predict the top and the bottom? Technically, frankly speaking, no. But based on the chart, what the charts are telling us, how they are speaking to us, we can at least find out okay, this could be a probably, again using the word probability, could be a bottom. But even if we forget about the bottom, we can identify when it is trying to go up. Okay, and this is very, very important. Okay, buying the low and then selling on the high. Okay, so I hope this is understood. And then you have the price which keeps on dancing between the two levels. And this can go on for months together, weeks together, maybe days together. Okay, and that is called as the sideways or range bound. Just to give you a live example, let's go to the chart. Let me share the screen with you. I'll put in the live chart. Just give me a minute. Let me share the screen with you. Okay. Now in this case, okay, I have taken this Nifty ka chart. Now see this. This is our daily chart. Okay. Now I'll remove all the lines. I can always put it back. Okay. Now this is the line chart which we saw on the first. Okay. Then you have the bar charts. Okay. This is the bar chart. This is the line chart. This is the bar chart. And then you have the Japanese candlestick chart. Okay. Let me enlarge this so that you will be able to understand it better. Now see, this is a Japanese candlestick chart. You have the bar chart. And then you have the line chart. Simple. So we have learned the graph. Okay. In the initial stage, we saw the ups and downs. We could do it on the graph paper. This was similar to this line chart. Then came the bar chart. Okay, wherein the green and the red color came into picture. The high and the low form the bar. Okay, one single line. Okay, but now when you saw the Japanese candlestick, it was something almost two-dimensional. Okay, wherein the visualization becomes much more easier. Now think about it. Okay, price have gone up, 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 and where we are, right at the top. Right at the top. Okay. Now, why did the price fall on the other day? Why did the price fall on the other day? Well, the price, see over here, the fall came in and the price went down. Here, the fall came in, the price went down. Okay. Now, in this case, we are seeing a strong up move. In 3 days, it was able to recover. In this case, the price was not able to recover very fast. But in this case, 3 days and the price have gone up. Okay. Now, while it was available cheap over here, okay, but the drop was really almost 90 degrees. Okay. Now, the trend line, what we understood, okay, the trend line, what we understood, can I draw a trend line like this? So if you see this, okay, now this becomes your high. Okay, then this becomes higher high. Now if this you can take as low, okay, then this becomes your higher low and your higher low. Okay, and this becomes your higher high. Okay, this becomes your higher low. Understood? So this is an uptrend. Understood now very clearly how we were able to identify the uptrend, right? So this is an uptrend which we have just learned about it. Okay, so from the chart, okay, so many things becomes much more clear whether the price is going up or whether the price is down. And why to do, what to do is most important for us to understand the game clearly. Giving you a smaller chart example. Okay, say I'm taking an example of SAIL, SAIL. Okay, this is an example of SAIL. See, in the month of March, while it was available at 18 rupees, okay, nobody wanted to buy. Now the same 18 rupees is now at, what is the price? At 60 rupees. Okay, what is the percentage gain? 20 rupees wala becoming a 60 rupees. That means 200% up. But were you even convinced to buy at 18 rupees? Practically no. Okay, and this is where the learning of the technicals helps you to understand when to buy, why to buy, and what, how to buy. Very, very important. Okay, the lines what you see, okay, this helps us to understand why we should be buying into a particular stock and why we should be selling into a particular stock. Now you will find some other stocks also. Okay, I'll just give you one more example of this. Okay, where people are just gone crazy and mad also. कि सस्ता मिलता है तो buy कर लो. Okay, now this is a 5 rupee wala stock, but where it has come in, let me show you the weekly chart for this. Where the price is coming from, 439. Now what is the price? In 2007-8 the price was at 439, and right now the price is at 5 rupees. Will you buy this stock? The answer to all this is no. That means the fundamental of this particular company is bad, and that is why it is beaten down so badly. Okay, now people will go and buy this also. Okay, then why you buy and why it should go up? Has the fundamental improved? Okay, so please understand this, and no, don't get stuck into a stock wherein people have bought this stock right at 33 and 34 also. They are still losing money even when the Nifty is at all-time high. Okay, so it is very important that when you will invest wisely. Okay, just this is a small stock, so people will say, oh my god, ye to gaya hua script hai. Not a problem. Now I will show you the, let's check this out also. Where it is coming from, almost 1200, where it went down to 312. Right now it is at 590. Nifty at all-time high. Okay, Nifty at all-time high. Did it give a new high? No. People who have bought in 2015 are just in the last 5 years, they are hoping and praying when the price will come up. And it is not even at 50% mark. So is this not capital loss? So a reputed company also, okay, with a good name also can go down and can remain down for quite some time. So this is what is very, very important for you to understand, that when you are investing your hard-earned money, okay, it becomes very important. Everybody says about SIP, not a problem at all. But those who are doing SIP in this particular pharma stock, okay, or a sector, has this gone up in the last 5 years? You keep on putting the money and it keeps on going down. You keep on putting the money, it keeps on going down. And this has been the nightmare for so many people. While the pharma was doing very well, okay, it was doing very well. But when it started to go bad, okay, it went down almost 70%. So guys, it is your hard-earned money. So act wisely. Okay, it is okay to go wrong and exit a position, but just to carry this and take the pain for the next 5-10 years doesn't make sense. Suzlon, I can give you n number of examples, okay, wherein people have put in lakhs and lakhs of money. Where is this? Nowhere near. Nowhere near. And from where it has come in from? 400 rupees. Now it is at 13 rupees. In 2000, it was at 400 rupees. 20 years gone by and the price has never recovered. So, people say buy and sit tight. वो भी तो गड़बड़ है because आपने गलत. It is like simple. You want to go to Ahmedabad, you cannot catch a train going to Chennai. And if you have done this mistake, okay, you will land up somewhere else only, for sure. So you cannot afford to make mistakes like this in the stock market. And that is where people who have lost money because they have not understood the game correct. But it is easy to learn and understand this game correctly. And this is where it is going to help you to make money from the market. Now, you need to decide whether you want to become a trader or you want to become an investor. The whole mindset is different. Okay, the whole mindset game is different between a trader and an investor. A trader mentality, let me explain to you. A trader mentality is how much money I can make with the investment I bring in the market in that small period of time. Chapter over. I'm repeating. How much money I can bring home in that small period of time, okay, with the amount of money which I bring in. It is a simple example I can give is of a bhajiwala. Okay, every day you see that particular person, okay, with a fresh vegetables, and by evening he will just sell off everything and he has nothing. So whatever he is earning for that particular day, he is keeping. So next day morning he will go to the wholesale market, get fresh vegetables, again does the same process. So this is what trading is all about. Trading is you buy something or you sell something and you bring home the money. Chapter over. So that is trading. But most of the time the trader becomes an investor, because if he goes wrong and he doesn't want to go wrong because of whatever, I cannot go wrong wala attitude, okay, he will hold it. चलो 2 दिन के बाद में प्राइस जब भी ऊपर जाएगा, I will sell it. That attitude and that investment हो गया. Okay, and in some cases the price keeps on going down and he becomes an investor from a trader. So that is the mindset. He had started as a trader, but now he has become an investor just because he doesn't want to go wrong. So again, a wrong attitude. Now, investor is the one which can invest his money, and then he has to have that patience for the price to go up. Now, it could be 3 months, it could be 1 year, or it could be 5 years. Again, as an investor, you can go wrong if the price keeps on going down again and again. So whether you are an investor or whether you are a trader, okay, in a stock market, it is okay to go wrong and exit your position with a small hit and then re-enter when the price are right for you. Okay, and that is how the money is made in the market. It is to buy low and then sell high. It is to buy the right sector. It is to buy the right stock at the right time. Okay, because you must have experienced that results are good, everything looks good about that particular stock, but when the result comes in, the price drops 4%, 6%, 8%. Why is that? Because the price is already discounted that ye to upar hi aa gaya hai. Now whatever the good news which have come in, okay, people have started to exit because they have bought at the low price, they want to exit at a high price. So price definitely gets into a rhythm of what the market is going to do. Okay, very, very important. Just to give you one more example on this before I move ahead. Okay, and then I will take up the questions also. Just to give you a fair idea of your Nifty, why the fall? Okay, this is a weekly chart. Okay, and this is your daily chart. Okay, this is your daily chart. Now this was all-time high. Okay, and then the price coming down, going down right up till the low, okay, of 1300, and then shooting up 700 points plus. Okay, now check this out in the Bank Nifty also. Show you the Bank Nifty also. The Bank Nifty was the one which was showing me, okay, that something is not correct. Now this candlestick patterns, okay, now this is called as a doji pattern. That means indecision. Price is not going up, price is not going down. It's an indecision candle. Okay, color not so important, but think about it. Where is the open and the high? Where is the open and the high? Where is the open and the high? It is at the same place, right or not? The open and the high is at the same place. The open and the high is at the same place. Okay, the open and the high is at the same place. Okay, the open and the high is at the same place. But what was most important over here was, okay, when the open and the high is the same place, that means indecision between the buyers and the sellers. Okay, here the opening was at the high. Opening was at the high. Okay, indecision, opening was at the high. Indecision, opening was at the high. Indecision, okay, this was the first time when the opening was at the low. This was the time when after a doji that the opening was at the low and the price going down so strong. You understood what I am trying to tell you is that the candles tell you so many things, and this is what we actually study, and this is what gives us the daily bread. Okay, it could be a second source of income. Okay, it takes time to learn, not a problem at all, but there is income which can be generated. Whether you are an investor, whether you are a trader, okay, you need to learn how to read the charts. You need to learn how to speak to the candle. You need to understand where to do what. That means buying low or selling high. Okay, or selling high and then buying low. You can do both. Okay, now we are trained to only buy and buy. While we were young, we were only buying pencil, rubber, books, only buy. Even today, when you go out, you are only buying. But think about it. You can sell first and then buy lower. This is what, as a trader, you can do. Okay, you can sell first and buy low. You can do that. Or you can learn options. You can learn options. Okay, just to give you an example of options also, people will not understand, but let me help you with this particular thing. Let me share this screen once again. Okay, now this is option ka, this is Reliance ka chart. Okay, now think about it. What is Reliance doing since the last few days? Not doing anything. It is dancing between these two levels, yes or no? Price is not going anywhere. It is just dancing, but it came right from 950 onwards, and it has made a new high of almost 2300 plus. Okay, doubling the money of people who had bought it at the lower stage. Okay, but now what it is doing, now you can say, is this not a sideways movement which we learned? While this was an uptrend, okay, and then falling, correction coming in, and then now since the last 2 months it has not done anything, just sideways move. What we learned, sideways. Now think about it. Even in the sideways, okay, even in sideways, we were able to make money on this. Why? Just show you this. Now this is a call and the put side car game. This is your put. Okay, see the price of the put. The high was 65 and the closing price was 30 rupees down. Okay, why? In this case, the open was 19 and the price actually, the closing price is 30. While the price of the Reliance is dancing, okay, there is money in the market to be made. Just check this out as far as the prices are concerned. Okay, somebody has sold the put at right at 216. Okay, and it has touched not once but twice almost at 154 levels, going down to 30 levels. That means upar se selling of the put. Okay, in the similar fashion of the call also. Just check this out. 150 wala put being sold, and now it is right now at the 30 levels. Okay, so I questions now. Whatever questions you would love to ask, please do ask. Okay, I hope I was able to give you some insight of what you should be doing. Okay, very important that you learn this right, and this is what gives you a correct picture of how to go about it. Okay, sure. Questions, you can put it in the chat box or you can ask questions, whatever questions you have in your mind. Okay, two things. I'll just unmute in case you want to ask questions. I'll just unmute every one of you. Yeah, you can ask any questions you have. You can unmute and ask. Okay, on the YouTube channel of Mayur Sampath, okay, there are lots and lots of videos which are being uploaded. Subscribe to that. Okay, January onwards we will have a weekly one video being uploaded, okay, on the psychology of trading also. Okay, and the morning routine, very important. You can go and watch the morning routine videos which are there, okay, which will help you to understand how as a trader we use the morning routine to make money from the market. Okay, live sessions are being put in. Okay, and now it will be a regular feature also over there. We have all our classes on teachable platform, okay, for a video based learning, whether it is options without Greek, whether it is technicals, or we just concluded one classes of WD Gang number game theory. Okay, so guys, very important for you to learn it right. There is money in the market to be made. Okay, please don't follow blindly something, learn it right, and then go for the right investment. If you want to become a trader, okay, your mindset has to be a trader mindset, not a investor mindset, because investment is a different ball game altogether. Okay, and trading is a completely different ball game altogether. Now what is being taught on a broader perspective is, okay, nobody talks about investment purpose, they talk about only trading purpose. So if you are looking at trading as a second source of income, then you have to have your mindset very, very clear, okay, that it is only how much money you will get in is only what is counted. Can we go wrong? Of course we can go wrong in our analysis, and our stop losses do get hit, because we understand that this is a game of probability, but our rights are more. When we make money, we make 3:1, 4:1. That means on every 1 rupee loss, we are still able to make 4 rupees, 5 rupees. Okay, and this is the important thing as far as the trading part is concerned. Okay, you cannot deploy all your money into one single basket. You cannot deploy. Okay, you have to have a clear understanding. Now how will you do an investment? Because market is at all-time high. Now how you will do an investment? The best way to do an investment is divide your capital into three parts. First, you need to divide your capital into at least 5 parts, and that one part you want to deploy in one particular stock, divide it into 3 parts. Say you feel this price is the right price, go and buy that stock irrespective of where the price is. Okay, then wait for 3 weeks to buy the second part, and then wait for 3 months to buy the third part. Now this is what we call as an investment. Okay, because you will not be able to catch the bottom. Okay, you will not be able to catch the top. Now if you see that the price are going up, then you need to have that system of buying even while the price is going up. Not a problem at all. Okay, so if you are able to divide it into 3 parts, suppose 1 lakh rupees you want to invest in, say, Wipro. Okay, divide it into 3 parts. Okay, and then first 32,000 rupees invest, then wait for 3 weeks. Whatever correction is coming in, you want to buy at that particular price, go ahead and buy, and then wait for 3 months. Not a problem. Okay, and then go ahead and buy. So this is where and how the investment can be done. But buy good quality stocks. Okay, don't buy kachra, because you will feel good about it when you buy the kachra, because they will be running away. But if you are stuck, your money will be locked for the next maybe 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, in some case even 10 years and 20 years also. Like we saw the example of MTN, we saw the example of Sun Pharma, we saw the example of Suzlon. So now the euphoria is there, market is going up, main reh gaya. Now what to do? Okay, buy quality stocks. If you are an investor, buy quality stocks, keep it for some time, not a problem at all. Okay, if you keep it for some time, you will be able to make money on that. But if they are quality stock, they will give you good returns. But if you are a trader, okay, you are a trader, that means you buy something and sell something. You cannot hold for 3 months. Okay, buying and selling 1 month horizon is the max. Okay, because you will be trading accordingly. Okay, and if you are an intraday player, please mark my word, you cannot take the material home. If you are wrong, exit, not a problem. Next day, take one more trade based on a system or a process, whatever you are following. Okay, so that is going to allow you to stay in the market for quite some time. Okay, and this is going to help you. Okay, you need to learn options and how to sell options. Okay, that is where the major money is for the trader. Okay, you need to understand what to do, when to do, and how to do. Now, if the stocks are dancing at one particular place, that is where the options pricing will give you a lot of money. Okay, even while the dancing is happening at a 2 range, not a problem at all. Okay, so you need to understand how to go about it. I thank every one of you who has joined me. I hope I was able to give you some insight of what to do, how to go about it. Please protect your capital, which is
My,
very, very important. Yeah, please.
yeah, sorry. This is Prakash here.
Yeah,
I have some questions.
yeah, please go ahead.
So a couple of questions. First is you said you need to pick up a segment. So
Right.
can you throw some light on it? Like what kind of segment would be good in the coming year?
Right now, the IT segment is the one which I would tell you to focus on.
Okay.
Yeah, that is the segment which you can focus on, and you can go ahead with the IT sector, which is still strong.
Okay.
Yeah,
How about banks?
banks, again, there'll be NPA and all that blah, 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 blah. Okay, so right now it is right at the top. So whenever there is a correction, yes, otherwise avoid. Simple as that. But banks are the one which definitely were, the IT sector is the one which I would love to invest and take the money home. Thank you, boss, for joining me. Okay, I will have one more sessions once again. Okay, please do join me to learn something more on the investment and the trading part. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel Mayur Sampat for more learning. Thank you. Love you all. Take care. Corona se bachna. Okay. Bye. Take care.